How to unlink Facebook from PUBG. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to unlink your Facebook account from your PUBG. It's a simple and fast process, so follow along carefully. I'm recording this on my Android device, but you can also do this on your iOS. You just need the latest Facebook app versions installed in your computer or your mobile device and to be logged into your Facebook account linked to your PUBG. So first of all, you have to open the Facebook application on your phone with the account linked to PUBG. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen to access the settings menu. Scroll down to the settings and privacy and then select settings. To unlink PUBG, navigate to the apps and websites and under its permissions, located above your information, click on the cube icon named apps and websites. Here you will find the list of linked apps including PUBG. If you don't see it, expand the list. Click on the PUBG and choose to remove the link. After a short while, the link will be successfully removed. So I hope this guide was helpful in unlinking the Facebook from PUBG. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.